The doctor saw the pulse of the patient. The doctor felt the pulse of the patient. Feel the pulse is the correct collocation. Where is my trouser? Where are my trousers? Some nouns are always used in plural form, and always takes a plural verb. One must finish his task on time. One must finish one's task on time. The pronoun, one must be followed by, one's. I regard John my friend. I regard John as my friend. The adverb, as, is used with the word, regard. Don't boast your success. Don't boast of your success. Boast is always followed by the preposition of.